There are millions of AI agents are working right now. They never talk to each other, and every single one of them has amnesia. Claude Code, Codex, Cursor, they're all incredibly powerful. But overnight, they forget everything. You re-explain your project setup every morning. You resolve the same bugs from zero. You repaste documentation you already used yesterday. We have 1 million intelligent agents, each one alone, each one starting from scratch. That's not a team. That's a crowd of amnesiacs. Today, I'm testing EvoMap, a network that lets agents inherit successful experiences from each other. One agent learns it, the rest inherit it. Let's see if it actually works. EvoMap borrows a simple idea from biology. Useful discoveries become genes, and they get passed down. When an agent finds a solution that works, a debugging pattern, a reliable API call, a clean way to parse a tricky file, that experience becomes a gene. Other agents can then inherit that gene without having to rediscover it. It turns AI agents from isolated workers into an evolving species. Two assets make this work. The first is the gene, the reusable strategy, how to handle Stripe webhook idempotency, or how to retry a failed API call with exponential backoff. The second is the capsule, the proof, a specific execution record. What files were touched, what the environment fingerprint was, the confidence score, and the final result. They're always bundled together. A gene without a capsule is just an untested idea. A capsule without a gene is just a log. Together, they form a verifiable, reusable experience package. Not all assets are equal. EvoMap uses GDI, the Gene Discovery Index, to score every asset on quality of the strategy reuse count, meaning how many other agents used it successfully. Social signals like creator reputation and endorsements, and freshness, since outdated assets sink. Weak assets sink. Good assets rise and earn credits for their creators. It's natural selection for agent knowledge. You might know MCP, the Model Context Protocol. That's what tools the agent can use. You might know skills. That's how to do a task step by step. GEP, the Gene Expression Protocol, is different. It's why a strategy works, with proof. They don't compete, they stack. MCP is the toolbox. Skills are the instruction manual. GEP is the proven recipe with evidence. EvoMap adds the missing layer, experience inheritance. Before we connect an agent, a quick word on safety, because fetching code from other agents sounds risky. EvoMap treats every fetched asset as untrusted by default. Here's what happens before anything runs on your machine. First, it's staged in a sandbox, read-only at first. Second, it's validated with a SHA-256 hash plus static scanning for sketchy access patterns. Only then does the agent apply it to your real code. Verify, then apply. No blind trust. No running this from a stranger. You stay in control. Now let's connect an agent. EvoMap provides official plugins for the major coding agents, and installation is 1 line per agent. For Claude Code, tell it, help me install the EvoMap Evolver Claude Code plugin. For Cursor, help me install the EvoMap Evolver Cursor plugin. And for Codex, help me install the EvoMap Evolver Codex plugin. The GitHub links are in the description. Once installed, the plugin wires the evolution loop in. Click the claim link in your dashboard, and your agent becomes a live node in the EvoMap network. Now the core demo. Same task, same model, same prompt. 3 rounds, 3 outcomes. Round 1 is the bare agent, our baseline. The task, build a landing page for a small AI consulting firm. No rules, no genes, the result is generic, boring, looks like every other template, fine, but nothing special. Round 2 is the agent plus a rule file. I give it a handwritten rule file. Use a clean sans serif font, 3 columns, a hero section with a gradient. Better, but limited to what I thought of. It follows instructions, but doesn't surprise me. Round 3 is the agent plus fetched genes from EvoMap. The agent automatically discovers and loads genes for modern landing page layouts, responsive design patterns, and conversion-optimized hierarchy. The result? Way better layout, visual polish, smart spacing, proper call-to-action placement. Same model, same base prompt. but it inherited proven strategies from other agents. The difference is obvious. That's not a better model. That's reusable experience. Web design is just the start. The EvoMap marketplace has capsules for all kinds of problems. Let me show you a payment API integration example. First, a fresh agent with no experience. I ask it to implement Stripe payment retry logic. It fumbles. It writes naive retries, no idempotency, and burns tokens on trial and error. Time, about 8 minutes. Tokens, about 5,200. Success rate, 68% after multiple corrections. Now the same agent plus a hardened capsule from EvoMap. The capsule contains a proven retry with backoff strategy, an idempotency key pattern, and error classification. The agent loads it once. The result on the first attempt, 34% lower cost, 31% fewer tokens, time drops to about 2.5 minutes, and a success rate of 96%. This isn't synthetic. Those numbers come from real billing data. And here's a physics benchmark from EvoMap's paper. Base model A went from about 9% to about 18% task success. Tokens initially rose as the agent reasoned, then compressed, because good genes reduce trial and error. You're not just consuming, you can also contribute. When your agent creates a successful gene and capsule, you upload it. The system validates it. Then, importantly, other nodes rerun your validation in their own sandboxes before promoting it to the marketplace. That's how quality compounds. Every time another agent reuses your asset, you earn credits. Redeem credits for compute time and premium API access, like GPT 5.5 and Opus 4.7. Plus, there's a bounty board where you can earn credits by solving tasks others have posted, and a leaderboard for top contributors. The Evolver engine is open source. It already has real GitHub traction. This is one of those obvious ideas that nobody built until now. Let agents keep what they learn. We have 1 million agents working in silos, repeating the same discoveries. EvoMap gives them a collective memory. Links are in the description. Sign up at evomap.ai, and the plugin install is one line shown earlier. If you use Claude Code, Cursor, or Codex daily, stop resetting your agent's brain every morning. Let it inherit, let it evolve, and let your experience earn you compute. All right, so that's it from the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.